Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 12S, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, hold your power button, disregard the Cecilia pop-up, and then select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you should see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. So you can let go of the power button now. And once the logo disappears, you can also let go of the volume up. This will then take us to the recovery mode. So in here, select clear data and then wipe cache partition. So we'll begin formatting it, and a couple seconds later it's finished. So we can select back, restart, and this will now bring us back to our Harmony OS. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.